there, for today's reading activity, it's going to be a Booms card activity. The title is Rhyming Words, and this is what it looks like. On your slide, you'll have a little image of what the activity looks like. You're going to click on the Booms card picture, and then a link will come up and it'll direct you here. So then you'll click on this right here, and once you click on that, this is what will pop up. It says, click the picture that rhymes with. Each one will say, click the picture that rhymes with. Click on the audio. Sun. So we're trying to find the picture that rhymes with sun. Is it going to be run? Is it going to be frog? Sing. Which picture rhymes with sun? Is it run, frog, sing? It's going to be run. Then you go to the next one, and right here, click the picture that rhymes with B. If you don't know what it is, please click on the audio. B. Is it splash? B, splash. Does that rhyme? No. Key. B, key. That rhymes. Let's see about this last one. Frog. B, frog. No. What about B, key? Yes, they both have the E sound at the end, so they do rhyme. All right, and that's what you're going to do for this activity, okay? You're going to look at the picture, click on the audio, and you're going to find the picture that rhymes with the big picture, okay?